Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for restaurants on the Qantas application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the book button down below and click on restaurant. You will be directed to Qantas.com, where you should select your location first of all. So tap on find restaurants, and here you are at Qantas.com. So you should search for a particular destination. Tap on it, click on the button done. Select from these options down below, and here you can find the available restaurants. Here you can check out the reviews, the location, the website. There is a link to the website, a phone number via which you can contact them if you have any further details or you would like to make a reservation. Here you can see the exact address, and if you want to check out availability, click on the check availability button. Here you can see it and tap on reserve a table if you would like to reserve a table at this restaurant. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.